After understanding the combination of resistors in series and parallel, now we have to think on the fact that at our homes, at industries, etc., what type of combination is used to connect the different appliances. You know that in a particular house there are so many electrical gadgets working, like we begin with the simplest lights in the form of CFL, etc., fans, ACs, geysers, refrigerators, microwaves and so on. You know that these are appliances which require different amount of current to work. So the basic question over here is what type of circuit, whether series or parallel, should be used in the domestic circuit. So here I am with this information, series or parallel. To begin with, I will tell you that in the households, it is the parallel circuit which is advantageous, and we use parallel combination over series combination. And now we are going to discuss why is it so, why parallel combination is preferred over series in domestic electric circuit. This is the main question also. So we begin. The first disadvantage of series is, you know, that in series the combination is like this, say R1, R2, R3, one after the other, and if anywhere the circuit is broken, the flow of current will stop and the entire circuit will stop working. Say in a room I connect the two lights, television, fan and maybe one socket for charging, all in series, and the bulb fuses. Then all the other components will also stop working because they are in series and the flow of current has stopped. Therefore, series circuit is not preferred. If one component stops working, then all the components of the circuit stop working. While in parallel, if one component stops working, other components continue to work. So parallel has an advantage over series. Second is, in series all the appliances are connected across one switch. So if we switch on, everything will be switched on, and if we switch off, everything will be switched off. While in parallel, different appliances have different switches. Different appliances have different switches. So whatever component is required, only that one is switched on or off, and not all. Then the next is, we just studied in the series and parallel combination that in series the current remains same and potential difference is divided along the components. So in series the components do not get the same voltage. In series the voltage is shared. So when the voltage will be shared, the appliances will not get sufficient voltage and the efficiency of the appliances will go down due to the lower voltage. While in parallel, same voltage is received by each and every component and hence their efficiency is high enough. Then, because we know in series the resistances add up, so the overall resistance of the series circuit is very high. If the resistance is very high, the current carrying capacity will go down, therefore lower current will flow and hence the appliances will work with lower current. And therefore their efficiency again will go down. While in parallel combination, the overall resistance is low, or we can say it decreases. Therefore, a good amount of current flows, because lower the resistance, higher is the flow of current and the efficiency of the appliances is maintained. And lastly, in series, same current flows. Different appliances have different current requirement. Do you think the current requirement of an AC and a bulb is same? No. Therefore, when connected in series, all will get the same current and appliances which require higher current will not be able to function. But when we connect them in parallel, the current divides according to the appliance resistance, and hence each and every appliance gets current according to its requirement. So here different current flows according to the requirement, and therefore parallel circuits are preferred or are used over series circuit in the domestic circuits. I hope this is clear to you, and this is a very important question also. Now keep studying and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and relatives so that they can utilize their time and prepare themselves well for the exams. Thank you. Keep happy.